Good morning, students. Here is the syllabus which I want to discuss in this video. See, beta, your paper is divided into 3 sections. If you want, everyone can write it. A, B, and C. Okay? Out of 80 marks, it is divided into 3 parts. 80 marks is divided into 3 sections A, B, and C. First is your reading skill, that is of 20 marks. Okay? In this, 2 unseen passage are there. One is your factual passage and one is your discursive passage. Okay? Then is your writing skill and then grammar. Writing skill and grammar both will there. First writing skill will come, then afterwards questions are there of grammar. Okay, and total weightage is 30 marks. Total writing skill and grammar are of 30 marks. Then literature. Okay, literature is of 30 marks. In literature, your 2 books are there. One is Beehive and one is Moments. Okay. Now see, first section is reading, that is of 20 marks. In this, one factual passage is there जो आपका 300 से 350 वर्ड्स तक होगा और उसमें वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन. जो बेटा द बेस्ट वे टू डू द अनसीन पैसेज इज फर्स्ट रीड द क्वेश्चंस. ठीक है, आप सब स्टार्टिंग में ही जो है ना पैसेज स्टार्टअप करते हैं. सबसे बेस्ट वे है कि पहले हम क्वेश्चंस पढ़ें, उसके बाद जो है पैसेज पढ़ें. ओके, बिकॉज फर्स्ट व्हेन वी हैव रेड द क्वेश्चन, automatically when you will read the passage it will strike you, the question will strike you. ठीक है, तो बेस्ट वे है कि फर्स्ट आप क्वेश्चंस रीड आउट करोगे फिर पैसेज, और इसमें वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चंस होंगे. ओके, नेक्स्ट है आपका डिस्कर्सिव पैसेज. इन दिस डिस्कर्सिव पैसेज आपके शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चंस भी होंगे. ठीक है, एंड वेरी शॉर्ट, दैट मीन्स आपके अकॉर्डिंग टू MCQs कैन ऑल्सो बी देयर इन दिस. ओके, MCQ फॉर्म्स में भी हो सकते हैं और वन वर्ड फॉर्म में भी हो सकते हैं. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट इज देयर योर राइटिंग स्किल एंड ग्रामर. इन योर राइटिंग स्किल, सी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज देयर, आइदर इट कैन बी आर्टिकल और योर पैराग्राफ. ओके, और योर डायरी एंट्री, and it will be of 100 to 150 words. That will be of 8 marks. Okay, then see, unseen passage also first जो factual है वो आपका 8 marks का होगा और discursive passage आपका 12 marks का होगा. Okay, then article, that is of 8 marks. Okay, next is there short story based होंगे. Okay, like for example short story, clues given होंगे, either the help box will be given and through it story you have to form. Okay, that will be there. So that limit is 150 to 200 works जो आपके 10 marks के होंगे. Okay, next is there your grammar section. See beta, in your short story based, it can be your letters can also come, like letter to editor, और वो सारे वो आपके small में ही आते हैं. ठीक है, okay, clear everyone? So your letters, that means formal letters can also come in this. Next is your grammar. In grammar, what are the topics beta? Tenses, modals. In tenses, one will be there to fill and one will be there in MCQ form. Okay, then modals is there, use of passive voice. Okay, that means active it will be given, like suppose newspaper heading is given, you have to change into the passive form. Okay, next subject and verb concord. Okay, then reporting, commands, request, statement, questions, all this will be there. Okay, is it clear? This much is clear, I hope. Next, in your clauses, your noun class, adverb clause of condition and time is there, and relative clauses are there. Then is determiners. In determiners, that means your articles. A and the, this, that. Okay, these, those, all these are your determiners. Okay. And next is preposition based exercise. This much is clear to you? So next is your, now see the above items, how it will be given in grammar section. See, one is your gap filling with 1 or 2 words to test. ठीक है, आपकी gap filling होगी. That means space will be provided and you have to fill the options. Either you have to fill the prepositions, articles that depend upon the sentence, or the conjunctions or the tenses. That is of 4 marks. How much marks, beta? 4 marks. Okay. Now next is your addition and omission. See, editing or omission, that means the word, okay, that is you can say the word either the examiner has eaten, that means either the preposition or the conjunction or the article will come and the word is missing. ठीक है, आपकी उस लाइन में से एक वर्ड आपका मिस्ड होगा. Okay, you have to put the oblique and you have to write that word. Okay, or the wrong it is given. ठीक है, स्पेशली जो आपका एडिटिंग और ओमिशन होता है ना बेटा, इन डैट आइदर द आर्टिकल्स आर देयर और प्रेपोजिशंस और कंजक्शंस आर देयर. सम बहुत ही समटाइम्स होता है जहाँ पे आपकी टेंसेस की मिस्टेक्स होती है. ओके, सो योर दिस फॉर्म इट विल कम. नाउ दिस मच इज क्लियर टू यू. नेक्स्ट है, नाउ नेक्स्ट आएगा बेटा, आपके जो वर्ड्स होंगे वो जम्बल्ड फॉर्म में गिवन है एंड यू हैव टू यूज देम इन प्रॉपर फॉर्म. आपको एक सेंटेंस बनाना है. ओके, सो इट विल ऑल्सो ऑफ 4 मार्क्स. सो 4 मार्क्स के आपके 3 होंगे. फर्स्ट गैप फिलिंग में होगा बेटा, जो आपके गैप फिलिंग होते हैं मैं इट समटाइम्स इट कैन कम इन MCQ फॉर्म ऑल्सो. ओके, सो ये आपके टेंसेस में भी आ जाती है. And then is editing or omission, and next is you are rearranging the words. That will come in 4. So total 6. Your 12 marks is your grammar section. Okay. Now next है आपका literature. फर्स्ट लिटरेचर आपको एक सीन एक्सट्रैक्ट आएगा. सो यू हैव टू गो थ्रू वेरी नाइसली थॉरोली द चैप्टर्स, as one scene extract will be given and you have to judge from which chapter it is, and see in that 2 lines the answer will not be given. But if you have understood the chapter very thoroughly, you have read the chapter very thoroughly, then you can come to know from where the questions are. Okay, the questions will be near to it. So again I am saying beta, the questions the answers of the questions will be not within that 2 lines which is given, which the scene extract is given. From that it will not be there, but yes, from that chapter it will be there. It can be asked in any form. So like who is the speaker, okay, what, why it is saying, to whom it is saying. Okay, so you have to go through the chapters very thoroughly. So one scene extract will be there, 2 scene extracts will be there, which one you have to do. Again I am saying better 2 extracts will be there and 1 you have to do. Okay, so 1 marks each question will be there. Okay, next your short answer type questions will be there of 3 marks or 2 marks. Next long answer type question will be there. But a long answer type question, that's your imagination, it is not in your book. Okay, like suppose character sketch is there or summary is there of the, so go through the chapter very nicely. Okay beta, when we will discuss the chapter, I will also discuss the character sketch or some important points of it. Okay, then very long answer type question will be there on the theme based. Now this will be on the theme based. Okay. So one question is from your beehive and one question is from your moments. Okay. In about 100 to 150 words. So both the book will be covered like this. One question is from beehive, one is from moments. Okay. So if you want to note down, you can note down your syllabus. And if anyone is not done, better you can take a screenshot of it. Okay. Now I hope the syllabus is clear to you. So first I am discussing, I have started the writing section. Then afterwards the literature or the grammar, that depends. Okay. In between them I will start your reader literature section. Okay. In between your grammar and your writing section, we will also discuss your literature section. One by one chapter I will discuss once again, so that your syllabus can be covered, a thorough revision can be done once again. Okay. So a thorough revision will be done once again. So please go through your chapters. If you have any problem, you can, when there is Zoom class, you can discuss it with me. Okay.